This video is to help you navigate Lalilo and Epic. First, have your student sign into their student account. Their name will be located in the top left corner where it says Test Student. Once your student is logged into their student account, go to the light bulb that says Activities and click. The first assignment that your student is being asked to complete is Lalilo, which is an online reading program. You can access this website by clicking on the link, which will open up in a new browser, pressing the play button.
Hello. To log in, write the code of your school.
And entering the code of your school, which is located in the instructions on Seesaw. You can copy and paste by dragging over the text, right-clicking, hitting copy, right-clicking again where it says enter your code, hitting paste.
Hello. Click on your classroom to begin.
Select Miss Manning.
Now click on your name.
Find your student's name. And they can begin by pressing the play button. The second thing that your student will be asked to complete is a book reading and comprehension quiz on Epic. There was an invitation sent to your parent email to give your student free access at home. If you did not receive that email, please check your spam folder. If it is not in your spam folder, please notify me and I will happily send it again. Once you sign up your student for home access using the invitation sent to your email, have your student sign in by clicking this link and entering the information you use to set up your account. Click Login. Once your student is logged in, they may receive a pop-up that tells them that I have sent them a book to read. They can click the X on that because it may not be the book that they are assigned for that specific week. Then the student will have to go to the right top corner where the mailbox is and click. Within the mailbox, there will be multiple assignments. Make sure that you guide your student to find the right book for the week that they are completing. They will click on the book and they have the options to listen to it be read.
Epic Originals presents Nellie Nutgraf, the double best reporter in history.
While having the words be highlighted.
Part 1 by Tom Engelberger.
They have the option to not hear it be read out loud. And they also have the option to turn the highlight off. If they are reading it on their own, they will have to manually flip the pages. They are able to go back at any time. Another feature on Epic is that it has a built-in dictionary that the students can utilize. It also lets you know how long the student has spent inside of the book, which I can see on my end as well. Once the student is finished reading, they will hit Finish Book. and then they will hit Start Quiz.